Imphal East District ki Hauktan da laiba S.V.Getwell School gi chahi gi changyeng da prize phanglaba chhatra chhatri khara yingminasi.
Roll number 3, Harzia. Harzia Yobra? Yes. Congratulations. Lao lao. The second position goes to roll number 1, Lamjingbi Laishram. Third position goes to roll number 2, Ais Joris Maitai. Ais Joris Maitai. The fourth position goes to roll number 23, Dhiru Nomaitem. Dhiru Nomaitem. The fifth position goes to roll number 20, Warepan Ricky Singh. Very good. Warepan Ricky Singh. Warepan Ricky Singh. Good. The sixth position goes to roll number 7, Bintia Thapa. The seventh position goes to roll number 9, Nargis Hassan. Nargis Hassan. Very good. Congratulations. The eighth position goes to Jasila Pervin. And the ninth position goes to roll number 10, Khawdar Panthoi Chanu. And the roll number 10, and the 10th position goes to roll number 4, H. Angelica. These are the position holders from 1 to 10 for the session 2024-25. And your next class is class 5. The CEO in the league has practiced much of the sales today. Thank you, sir, principal. Thank you so much. Parents, sumayo